how to log in Blooket account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your computer. After opening up, you have to click on the search bar and search for Blooket. After that, you will be able to see the search results. You have to go for this first option over here. After that, you will be opened up to the official web page of Blooket. So in order to log in, you have to click on the login option in the right upper corner. And you need to enter your username and password over here in order to log in. You can also log in directly with your Google. And by entering the information, you can see my account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Blooket account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.